Hello. If you've ever got to your campsite, you're tired, it's raining, you've just got your tent up, and you try to unroll your bedding mat, and it does this, you'll know how annoying and frustrating that can be. I'm just going to show you what I do to solve that problem quickly and easily. I try to unroll the bedding mat, and when it starts to spring back, I take the piece that is most tightly wound, flick it around, and I can do all of this kneeling up inside any of the tents that I can kneel in. I find the most tightly wound end and I start rolling it backwards the opposite way. I usually start it on my lap, and if you're say sleeping in a very low tent or in a bivvy bag, you can do all of this standing up, rolling it on your lap. I roll it tightly, as tightly as possible the other way. If it's on the floor of the tent, I put pressure on it. Rolling in the reverse direction. And now when I let it go again, with a little bit of persuasion, now it lies up much more straight, almost flat. And now it's ready for me to put on my other bits of equipment. Sleeping bag, you can leave that out to let it loft up a little bit. I can put any other bits of equipment that I want to inside the tent, and of course any other important items. And now I'm ready to start cooking my food, getting all of that ready, and then getting a good night's sleep. If you found that helpful, please click the like button, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you for watching.